Welcome back to the test drive. If you thought the smart glasses race was just between two pairs of frames, you are in for a huge surprise. This week we got our hands on some massive leaks that completely changed the landscape for 2026. Samsung is not just dropping one pair of glasses, they are dropping an entire lineup to take over your face. And Google just revealed how their glasses are going to give you a literal photographic memory. Let us get right into the details. Let us kick things off with Samsung. Up until now, we thought we were getting a standard pair of AI glasses. But code uncovered this week in the upcoming One UI 9 software reveals there are actually 3 distinct models in the works. We have the standard versions meant to take on the Ray-Ban smart glasses. But then there is a secret third model codenamed Heian. Analysts are saying Heian is not just a simple pair of glasses. It is a premium high-end device designed to go head-to-head with the rumoured lighter version of the Apple Vision Pro. This means Samsung is trying to conquer both the casual everyday market and the hardcore tech enthusiast market at the exact same time. The best part is the processing power. New reports confirm Samsung is using the Qualcomm AR1 Plus Gen 1 chip. That sounds like technical jargon, but here is why it matters for you. It means the glasses can process AI tasks, like translating languages or recognizing objects right on the device. You do not need to be tethered to your phone or the cloud to make the magic happen. Now let us switch over to Google. We know they are partnering with Warby Parker for style, but this week we learned exactly how they are going to make the battery last. It is all about the Glimmer interface. Google engineers figured out that white light drains the battery and bleeds into the real world. So the entire Glimmer interface will use green tones. It is the most energy-efficient color for these tiny displays. It sounds incredibly smart, and it solves one of the biggest problems with wearable tech. Google is also tackling privacy head-on. They have finalized a mandatory external recording light. It is hardwired into the glasses, so it cannot be turned off by software. If the camera is rolling, everyone around you will absolutely know it. But the absolute coolest update from Google involves Project Astra. This is the brain behind the glasses. It gives the glasses something called spatial memory. Imagine taking off your glasses at the end of the day. The next morning you cannot find your keys. You can literally ask your glasses where you left them, and the AI will remember the last place it saw them. It is like having a personal assistant sitting right on your face. With the Google I/O event coming up on May 19th and the Samsung Unpacked event in August, we are weeks away from seeing these in action. Are you more excited about the 3-tier Samsung lineup or the spatial memory from Google? Let me know down in the comments. Make sure you hit subscribe so you do not miss our coverage of the big May 19th event. This is the test drive, and I will catch you in the next one.